how to set and remove pinned lines on transit app. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video you would learn how you can set and remove pinned lines on transit app, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to sign in into your transit application. Alright, and then once you're signed in, you will be brought to the home page or the main screen where you would see your map as well as the transit lines and the departure lines. And then once you can see this, well, you cannot see this on my screen because I'm currently in an unsupported location, but for you would see all of it here. Now once you can see this, find the transit line you want in the list on the main screen. Okay, after you've located the transit line, click on it. After clicking on the transit line, you'll be taken to the page where you would see the details about the line. Or if not, go to the lowest part of the screen where you can see a search bar, click on it, then type out your destination, and then your location will also be there. Sure, you type it in. Now after typing that in, you would be taken to a page just like I was brought to a page where you will see the transit routes available. So once you can see this route, the next thing to do is to then tap on the pin icon for that particular route that you want to go. After tapping on the pin icon, if prompted, that is if you see the screen, you can choose whether you want to sign up to receive service alert about the line or not, and then you can select it. You can sign up if you want, or you can just ignore it. And then once it's set, you will see a small pin appear at the top right corner of the line. That shows that the line has been pinned. So by the time you refresh your app, the new pinned line will display at the top of the list whenever you're nearby, just like that. All right, and then to unpin the line, tap again on the pin icon on the route details page, and that particular line will be unpinned. So this is how it works. Okay, just navigate through this app and then you'll be able to pin your most used transit lines on the transit app. Thank you and have a nice day.